In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this amazing trick where a cigarette passes through a playing card. For this, I had to make a gimmick card out of 2 face cards, and in this case I'm using the 2 black jacks, and I'm cutting out the center square from the jack of spades. Now on the other jack, I cut out a hole so that the cigarette can just fit in. And to be honest guys, this was the toughest part of this entire process. And then in order for the cards to perfectly camouflage, I had to use a blue pen to color the insides of the hole. Perfect. Now I put the small cutout on the top in order to align it with the design, and used a needle to poke 4 holes that would align with the lines perfectly, and this is a very important step. Now I'm going to use a transparent elastic stitching thread to tie the 2 cards together, but with a small piece on the downside. After tying the first loop, I made a straight cut on the small part so that the tied part is just enough to cover up the entire hole. And after fitting the other loop, I could have stopped there since the gimmick is ready, but I wanted to give it a proper finish. So I took the other part of the card and stuck it beside the tied one, and this looks clean, but I have to turn the clubs into the spades. So I took a black pen and drew the missing parts of a spade symbol just on top of the clubs. And now the card exactly looks like the jack of spades. Once this gimmick is ready, I took a cigarette and pushed it through the hole, at the same time sliding back the slider that I made, and this opens up the hole, making the cigarette fall through. And once the cigarette reaches the filter point, I let go of the slider and hold the card from another angle, and when I pull the cigarette out, the slider immediately snaps back, closing the hole, making it look like real magic, and that's how I did it. So that's all for this video. This was a new type of edit and perspective. Comment down below if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new here, because that helps a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.